Hi everyone, it's Sam again, just popping on with a bit of information for you. I'm going to start doing card basics for beginners, and one of the things that seems to come up is card bases and how to make them and what to use. So throughout our annual catalogue and our autumn winter catalogue, we have a number of different card bases and matching envelopes. So I'm just going to go through them with you today, so you can see the different ones. So pop them up there without them falling off. So we have, just use that. So we've got a standard note cards in very vanilla or whisper white, and they're coordinating envelopes. So they're pre-scored, you just fold them in half and off you go. I'll put that back in there. Probably making the camera wobble because I'm stood up. There are 20 cards and 20 coordinating envelopes. They come in very vanilla or whisper white, and they are £6 a pack. Good size. I better tell you what they are. They are 5 inches by 3.5 inches when folded. So these are great for beginners to get started. Pop them out of the way. We've also got the narrow note cards. These come in whisper white again, pre-scored. Lovely little note cards. These are great for putting gift cards in and things like that. So they are, let me see, there's 20 in here, so you get 20 whisper white cards and 20 envelopes in there, and they are £7.50. We've then got some that coordinate with one of the sweets in the catalogue called Delightfully Detailed. I think these are the same size as the note cards, 5 by 3.5, yes. White whisper white on the inside, very vanilla on the outside. And then there is, I'm just reading this from the catalogue, 20 cards, 5 of each and 4 designs. So we've got Blackberry Bliss like that one, and Blackberry Bliss like that one. Then we've got Mint Macaron like that, and then a Mint Macaron like that. So again, brilliant for card bases, and that coordinates with the Delightfully Detailed, which comes with a pack of Memories and More cards, which are really good for making fronts for cards. So there's those. We've then got the Memories and More cards. So Memories and More cards come like this, and these are for journaling, card making and things like that. So they come in 2 sizes. It's got the large one and the small one. So the small Memories and More cards and envelopes fit those on, and they are 4.25 by 3.25, so they fit on there. And then there's the larger Memories and More cards, and here's the envelopes and excuse me, the envelope card and envelopes there, so that fits on there perfectly. They are 6.25 by 4.25, and they fit those. Also, the little ones fit on their side, what do you call that, widthways, lengthways, depending on which way your card is. So great for starting card making. That's the big ones, and they're the small ones. So they are, let me find them. They are 10 card bases and 10 envelopes The small is £6 and the large is £7, so there's those. And then in the Christmas catalogue, or the autumn winter catalogue, we have the gold and silver foil edged envelopes and card bases. If you check all my videos, you'll see that I've just recently uploaded a couple of these using the gold and the silver, and they are let's measure them. So that's the silver front. They are 5.5 by 4.25, and you get 20 cards and 20 envelopes in each pack, and they are £8.75 a pack. Then lastly, we have got the Santa's Workshop Memory Awards cards and envelopes, which coordinate with the suite. Let me find the page a minute, hang on. It coordinates with the Santa's Workshop suite, and they also come with a Memories and More card pack. So this is a card pack. I've got some hang on, I'll get the rest of them. I've been playing, they're all over the place. Half of them's missing. There it is. So again, you've got the large ones with envelopes, and you've got the small ones all there in the same pack together. So you get 20 card fronts, card bases and envelopes in the small, and 20 card bases and envelopes in the large. So you've got 40 altogether, and they are £8. And then they coordinate with these Memories and More cards. If I just open this a minute, let's open this up. She stares as she stabs it and herself. So let's get one of those out, and a big one. So again, they fold, pre-scored, ready to go. So in here we've got, let's start with the large ones. We'll put that under there out the way. No, we won't. It will jump up. So I think this is all of the. So here are the Santa's Workshop Memory and More cards. Ow, head butt of the tripod. Sorry. There we go. So that would look beautiful on there like that. See? And then we have some sticker sheets somewhere. Let's find them. It's all jumbled up. Let's find the sticker sheets. Sticker sheet, sticker sheet, sticker sheet. That's the sticker sheet. So this sheet has got some sentiments on it. So you could pop your Happy Christmas up there. And so we've got a jolly face. Some of them are glittery as well, so you can have one like that, and then that one that way round. Great for kids, great for new crafters. I love that one, that's pretty. I distracted myself. So great for new crafters. And then the sticker packs, sticker pages here, you get a full calendar. So you could make an advent calendar, or you could make like a, what's the word I'm looking for, an activity advent calendar. So you could make up 24 cards, and each one would be a different activity throughout the month, and then you can number them all up, and then you open that one on that day to find out what your activity is. And there's some more stickers there, and some foiled ones, and those as well. So again, a great activity for kids, or a great activity for if you're a new crafter. And then the small ones fit on there like that. So all you need is a bit of glue and a bit of, you can add some rhinestones or something to sparkle it up a bit if you want to. So yeah, have a check out on my online shop will be linked below, so have a check on there if you look for Memories and More, and also the card blanks. So that's the first video. I will be back to show you how to make card bases, cutting the cardstock on another day. So thank you very much for your time. See you again soon. Bye bye.